Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you how I make huge profits in selling wall portraiture. Now, years ago I focused on weddings, but I could only do one a week, and it involved countless hours spent with the clients, covering an event, editing these photographs, and preparing the album. However, when I shifted my attention to specializing in wall portrait clients, I discovered an amazing opportunity. Do you know selling a single wall portrait in a frame allowed me to earn as much, if not more, than a whole wedding? And since I can do most of my portraits in the studio, I can complete 6 to 8 in a single day. This incredible discovery helped me achieve over $1 million in portrait sales in a year while working only 5 days a week, and that's without sacrificing my weekends. I managed it with just one assistant handling the phones and helping me in the studio. Now, of course, building a great brand, mastering portrait techniques, and excelling in marketing and sales, they're essential too. But the best part is, I started my business from scratch, just like most of you. Despite lacking an art background, I learned from the industry's top photographers who had incredibly successful businesses. Now, I know every step of the process, and that's why I'm here, to teach you too. If you have a passion for photography, an unwavering determination, and a desire to create an exceptional income, I can help guide you along the way. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'll continue to publish more videos on the steps required for you to live your fulfilling life as a successful photographer. This is Jeff Lubin. Thank you for watching.